All right, Caps Ninja, Sensei Lance here today, also with Sensei Alejandro. And what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be introducing you to the kicking shield. Now, of course, I call this the kicking shield because that's usually what we do on it is kick it. But, of course, it can be punched, kneed, elbowed, anything that you need to do to it. This is a great tool. Now, as you know, we've discussed it in the past that every tool has its job. You know, focus mitts are for just that, focus. We got the heavy bags for striking and things like that. The reason I like the kicking shield is one, we can use a lot of power because you see how thick it is. It's a nice big pad, okay? So we can use a lot of power with it, but also, unlike the heavy bag holds completely still. The kicking shield is where we can really take our training to that next level, okay? Because the person with it is moving around. You have a moving target, and you'll notice that a moving target is a lot harder to hit than one that's just standing still. Okay, so a couple things I like to talk about with the kicking shield. First of all, when you have it, of course, it's called a kicking shield, so you're going to hold it. It usually has two back handles. You hold that just like a shield. Stick one hand through and grab the other one. And of course, the side handle here, I usually grab with my other hand. I hold it right up against my body. I don't do this stuff because if Sensei kicks it really hard and it comes back, my forearm is going to hit me in the side. So I like to hold it right up against me. And when I hit, I breathe out as hard as I can from my diaphragm, from this right here. Okay? I don't just make that sound with my mouth. I see a lot of people in the dojo when they're training to okay? That's just making a sound with your mouth. We got whoosh when we breathe out. You'll see when Sensei Alex kicks me here in a second. But the cool thing is from here, not only can he work his kicks from here, hands up, give me a front kick, Sensei. Good. Again. Good. But I can turn it to the side. He can give me a roundhouse kick. Good. Yeah. Good. And as you notice, I have to breathe out really hard because if I don't, those kicks are going to knock the wind out of me. It's going to hurt a lot, ruin my whole day. All right? So, like I said, the kicking shield is a great tool. And another reason why I like it is because I can move around. Okay? So if you'll notice, if Sensei here is in his stance, and I'm way back here, if he goes to throw his kick, he knows I'm too far away. He throws the kick, look, and he misses. Okay? He knows if I'm over here, and from here, he knows that I'm too close, so he can't kick me from here. But he knows if I'm going right about here, that's where that kick is going to be perfect. So he throws the kick. Good. Now, here's one of the best things about this tool. All right? Is I can move around. All right? There's this thing that we're always trying to work on, and that's timing. Okay? Timing is everything. All right, so Sensei can be standing there, and what I can do is I'm way back here. Of course, he can't kick me from way back here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly walk toward him. And when I get close enough to him, he's going to kick the pad. So I'll go here. Just like that. Okay, that's a great drill. And of course, if I'm walking toward him, he kicks too soon. Yep, he missed. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I really like this drill. And of course, attackers, sometimes they come really fast. They attack fast. So that's a great time that where we can get out here. And from here, I can move even faster. It's like I'm going to move a little faster now. And he uses that kick to stop me. So as you can see, this is a fantastic training tool. Please, I highly recommend eventually getting one of these because it is one of my favorite tools. And when I work with the competition teams, the fight teams, and of course just the plain self-defense classes, this is an invaluable tool that we use a lot. So I highly recommend it. Go out, get you one. Use a responsible adult. Make sure y'all are working together with a responsible adult. Make sure one is always around, that you're training safe, and try that at home. Have a great day.